Good morning, students. We have started probability chapter number 15. Earlier we have done question number 5. Question number 6 was your homework. Now we will start question number 7. Now the question number 7 is this. Chapter name is probability and exercise is 15.1. Now student, let us start question number 7. What is question number 7? To know the opinion of the students about the subject statistics, a survey of 200 students was conducted. The data is recorded in the following table. First of all, we have to make the data. Data is students given it like this. It is in the form of opinion and number of students. And this one is the students, number of students. Opinion, it is given that like and dislike. How many likes? This. One more we can make, or dislike. Opinion, number of students who like this are 135 and who don't like this 65 students are there. Now student, what we have to find? We have to find the probability that a student chooses at random likes statistics. So I have told you earlier that probability of an event in the previous video I have told that probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes divided by students total number of outcomes. So students, what we will do first, we have to find the total number of outcomes. So we can do it like this. First part is total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes means students 135 plus 65. That means this is 200. So the total number of outcome is 200. Students, what we have to find? First we have to find the likes outcomes. So probability of finding likes outcomes. What will be the probability, student? Probability of finding the like outcomes. What are the likes are here? 135 by 200. You can cancel it out. 5 2 is 10, 5 7 is 35, 5 4 is 20, 40. That means 27 upon 40 is the probability of finding likes outcome. Similarly, second part is student do not like. Do not like means that one is dislike. So P do not likes. So student, what we can write? Do not likes. How many hours are there? 65. 65 upon 200. That means 5 1 is 5, 5 13 is 5 4 is 20, 0 means 13 upon 40. That is the 27 upon 40 and 13 upon 40. So students, to check the answer, if we add these two, I have told you earlier that the sum of the probabilities is always 1. So we are checking the answers because likes and dislikes all are given. So if we will check it, probability of any event will lie between 0 to 1 and the sum of all the probabilities I have told you that it will be 1. So we can check it. 27 upon 40, 13 upon 40, that means 27 plus 13, that means 40 upon 40. It means is equal to 1. We have checked the answer. You can check your answers like this. So you can add these two probabilities, these 2 or 3 according to the questions what is given. Here 2 probabilities are given, so we have added these 2, so we will get 1. So student, we will solve this question is like this. Now student, next question is question number 8. Question number 8, it is given that referred to question number 2, exercise 14.2. So we have to go first in exercise 14.2 of the statistics exercise. It is given that what is the empirical probability that an engineer lives the distance in kilometer of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work were found as follows. So student, you can see the table of exercise 14.2. It is given in your book that a table is given. The total number of engineers are 40 engineers are there, and the residence at their workplace is found that. इसमें एक्चुअली स्टूडेंट्स आपको ये दिया हुआ है कि इनकी जो इनकी घर से दूरी है वो कितनी है करके, लाइक दिस. सो स्टूडेंट, व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड लेस देन 7 किलोमीटर हर प्लेस ऑफ वर्क. सो स्टूडेंट, यू हैव टू see in your book and you can count it how many of the engineers are there. Now question number 8. See in your exercise 14.2 student, question number 2. Less than 7 kilometer from her place. Student, what is given there? The distance in kilometer of 40 engineers. It means total number of outcome is 40. It is given that total number of outcomes is 40. Now what we have to find? We have to find less than 7 kilometer from her place of work. Means we have to count that number which are coming less than 7. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is given in your book that 5 is given, 3 is given, like this. You have to count it yourself in your book. So I am writing the answer only. I will count it now. Less than 7 kilometer from her place of work. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now student, I have counted that 9 engineers are there whose distance is 7 kilometer less than from her workplace. So we can say that number of favorable outcomes are coming 9. Means ऐसे इंजीनियर्स हमने देखने जो 7 किलोमीटर की डिस्टेंस से कम में रहते हैं. सो व्हाट वी कैन से दैट प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ less than 7 kilometer. What is written in your book? We have to write it like this. An engineer lives less than 7 kilometer. An engineer lives less than 7 kilometer from his workplace. So students, we have found that 9 is the number of favorable outcomes. 9 engineers we have found that less than 7 kilometer distance में जो रहते हैं 9, and total number of engineers are 40. So the students is student 9 upon 40. Again now, more than or equal to 7 kilometer from her place of work. Now student, we have to find that more than 7 kilometer, more than or equal to 7 kilometer. We can find it like this here also. Total number of outcomes are 40 and 9 are living less than 7 kilometer distance. Means 9 are living less than 7 kilometer distance. So we have to find the probability of having equal to 7 kilometer or more than 7 kilometer. It means we can find it like this. Total number of engineers are 40 and 9 are living less than 9. So we can count it like this. 40 minus 9 is 31. 31 engineers are like this. जो क्या रह रहे होंगे 7 या 7 किलोमीटर से ज़्यादा में रह रहे होंगे, बिकॉज उससे कम तो कोई है नहीं. सो वी कैन फाइंड इट लाइक दिस. आइदर यू कैन काउंट इट इन योर बुक. ये मैं इसलिए आपको बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि काउंट करने में आप लोगों को टाइम लग सकता है. सो यू कैन डू इट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. आइदर यू कैन काउंट इट ऑल्सो. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. Number of favorable outcomes. Student, it will become 40 minus 9, that is 31. So I am doing it like this because it is the shortcut method. Now we have to find probability of an engineer lives what is given in your question, more than or equal to 7 kilometer. Lives more than or equal to 7 kilometer. So student, we can do it like this. Again, number of favorable outcomes are 31 and the total number of outcomes are 40. So student, we can say that this one is the 13 31/40. Now within half kilometer from her workplace, from her place of work, within half kilometer, student. Now students, check your table also. You can see this in your table that the numbers are given that 5, 3, 10, 20, 25, 11, 13, 7, 12, 31 like this. Not of this one, means less than half kilometer. इसका ना half kilometer से नीचे कोई भी नहीं है. So you can say that number of favorable outcomes is equal to either I am writing it here. We can do it like this. We can do it. Third part, number of outcomes 0. Now we have to write it here. Engineer lives less than, means question is given that within for half kilometer, lives within half kilometer from, here it is given that her, so you can say that her also, because I think these are the lady engineers, maybe from her place of work. From her place of work it is given that half kilometer for her workplace, so we can say that it will become 0.40. That means it is 0. So it is the impossible event, we can say that. I have told you earlier that some is sure event, some is impossible event like this, and the probability lies between, आपको मैंने एक चीज़ और बताई थी, probability will lie between 0, P is less than equal to 1. Probability will lie between 0 and 1. So student, you can do it like this also. Again student, you can check the answer. First probability आपकी कितनी आई थी? We have found that 9/40. Second probability 31/40. Third is 0. So we can say that 40, 31 and 9, 40. That means it is equal to 1. So I am saying that the sum of all the probabilities will be 0. So student, this is the question number 8. Now after we will do question number 9. Now student, question number 9 is an activity. You can do it yourself. Note the frequency of 2-wheelers, 3-wheelers and 4-wheelers going past during a time interval in front of your school gate. You have to check, आपको क्या करना है इसमें, स्कूल गेट के सामने खड़ा होना है, and you have to check that one vehicle means 2-wheeler, 4-wheeler, how many are going from this side. So like this you can do it yourself. You can do it at home also, because schools are closed nowadays, so you can check it at your home. Make a table like this and then write the answer. You can make it yourself. 10th is also an activity. Ask all the students in your class to write a three-digit number. Choose any student from the room at random. What is the probability that the number written her him is divisible by 3? So आपको पहले स्टूडेंट से पूछना है कि 3 डिजिटल नंबर्स. So you have to find how many numbers are divisible by 3 or not. So do it yourself, student. Now we will start question number 11. Now student, question number 11 is like this. I am writing it here because table is not larger, so I am writing it here. 11 bags of a wheat flour, each marked 5 kg, actually contain the following weights of flour. That is given that in kg. It is given that 4.97, 5.05, 5.08, 5.03, 5.00, 5.06, 5.08, 4.98 and 5.04, 4.98, 5.04, 5.07 and 5.00. It is given the weights in kg, students. How many bags are there? Total bags are 11. We will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So today 11 bags are given. Now what we have to find? Find the probability that any of these bags chosen at random contains more than 5 kg of flour. Contains more than 5 kg of flour. We have to count it. How many are there? And then we can find the probability of contain more than 5 kg of flour. So here we can write, students, total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes means, students, how many total bags are there? Bags are 11. And we have to find the contains more than 5 kg there. More than 5 kg. We have to find it. More than 5 kgs. First one is we can write it 5.05. Second is 5.08. Third is 5.03. More than 5 means not 5. It will be 5.06. Again 5.08. Here one also 5.04. Here one also 5.07, and this is not. So student, we have to find more than 5 kg weight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So student, we can write it. P contains more than 5 kg weight. So student, how many bags are there? We can say that total number of bags are 7 containing. So the probability of containing more than 5 weight is 7 upon total number of outcomes, students, 11. This is the question. This is a very easy exercise. So that one the question, that is the question. So you can do it like this. Now after this, students, question number 11 we have done. Now question number 12. Question number 12 is also given that in question number 5 exercise 14.2. Again we have to go in 14.2 exercise. Now students, we have to draw the frequency distribution table although for this question number 2. We will do this question in the statistics exercise also. Either you can do it yourself by this, you can count the frequencies and you can do it yourself. Okay students, you have to do it yourself now. Now we will start question number 13, that is the last question of this exercise. So pause the video and note it down first, this one, if you have not noted. Student, in this question we have also make the table first. Represent the data in the form of frequency distribution table. It is given. Find out which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students. So student, we will make the table first. So how we can make the table? 13 question number is that one. First we will write blood group, because student we have to make the frequency distribution table. So we are making this. So it is given that A, B, O like this. A, B is like this blood group. And then how we can make it the table? We can write it here tally marks. And at last we can say that number of students. So students, the blood group, it is given that in your book that first one is given that A, B, AB and O. There are the 4 blood groups it is given. Now we have to count it. You can do it with the help of your book. Also you can count it yourself, student. So I am counting it here. Blood group A. Blood group A, I am counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 are like this. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of students of having blood group is 9. Similarly here B, we have to count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now students, AB group is less. It is given 1, 2 and 3. AB group students are 3. And last one is O. O group students is, O group आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं जितने इसमें से बच गए 9, 6, 15 and 3, 18 and total number are given that 30 students. So we can write it means 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5 and 2. These are the 12 students. So students, what we will do now? We have to find the probability of a student has a blood group of AB. total number of outcome is equal to we can say that total number of students are 30 and blood group having AB. Either you can write blood group AB is equal to how many students are here? 3. So we have to find blood group having AB. So we can say that students AB वाले कितने 3 upon total number of outcome is 30. So we can say that is 1/10. And also we have to find a student in this question that represent the data in the form of a frequency distribution table. Found out which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students. Common means most common आपने ये देखना है कि जो सबसे ज़्यादा है that is 12 and rarest is AB. So you can write it like this and blood group हमने बना दिया 30 students का. Use this table to determine the probability of blood group having AB. So student, we have completed this exercise. Some of the questions we have left, so you can do it yourself. Either you can make the table and you have to draw the table in these types of questions. After this we will start new chapter and first I will take your test after this when the chapter is completed. In the next week, in the next time I will send the PDF for you. So students, thank you for watching this video.